Hello Bladers. Due to the heavy traffic in Metro Manila, some private car owners and most of the commuters are switching to motorcycles. Who wouldn't want it? You get to arrive at the destination you need to go in less than the amount of time you spend on the road. It makes your life way more easy since you won't be late to meetings or events, and you'll be home extra early. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Motorcycle, the types you need to know before you get one. Number 1, Cruiser Motorbike. A cruiser motorbike is perfect for the laid-back country old-style ride. It has low seats, long wheelbases and large engine. Number 2, Sports Motorbike. Also known as a sport bike, it's a motorcycle that is made to deliver much speed, acceleration, braking, and maneuverability. This type is the one commonly used for motorbike racing and competitions. Number 3, Touring Motorbike. Touring motorbikes are built for wide open road and are often big bikes with much larger engines. This is good for people who ride very long distances, so they can also include their luggage at the back. Number 4, Scooter. This type of motorcycle has a step-through platform for the rider's feet. Scooters are much easier to use compared to the big bikes since they are lighter to drive. They are commonly used in cities and townships and are perfect for the day-to-day errands. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.